Oh, pig fight. Oh, jeez. Baby goats. Yeah, I'm going to say that Frank's a little worse than the other two. Like, why is he in the oyster shell right now?
That's not Frank.
Oh,
That's Walter.
no, Walter.
Yes. We don't know about Walter yet. He's not very good. I have no idea. It's because that's what he wants to eat. Uh-oh, you had one coming up there.
Piggy, 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 piggy. Oh, jeez. I love that white one. Oh, Piggy. Walter's a bad goat. Do you see what Walter's doing? He's digging all the oyster shell out of that container.
Really?
Yeah.
Walter! Walter!
It's a little tiny
Lower. Lower.
pigtail.
Lower. Walter! Knock it off! That's why you don't get to come out here. It's sick! What are you going to do with that stick? Yeah.
Oh, it's Farbo.
Midnight, you better be nice to your new friends out there, okay? Uh-oh. They're just going to go eat the oats.
Oh, look. Oh. Have they met before?
Skunks met them. She didn't like them. All I can say is I'm glad to see they're eating food. Come on!
Every time you leave here, you need a bath.
Really?
Every time.
You gonna wind her up tight?
And you put